Madani Square, Madani Square, Bengali Madani Ctbr, romanized, Madani Chottor, lit. Madani Square, also known as Madani Chattar or Madani Point, is a monument in Nayasarak Road in Sylhet built to commemorate Hussain Ahmed Madani's contributions towards dawah in Sylhet, Bangladesh. It was completed and opened on 18 February 2019, replacing the junction marking Nayasarak Point. Construction and history. In early August 2017, the mayor of Sylhet City Corporation, Arful Hakchaudhuri, announced his plans to build a monument on Nayasarak Point and to rename it Madani Chattar, after the Islamic scholar Hussain Ahmed Madani. The monument is designed by architect Jishnu Kumar Das. He is a young promising architect of Bangladesh. Designed several projects including internationally recognized Teradol Community Mosque. Due to the point being opposite Nayasarak Jame Masjid, a mosque in which the scholar visited and stayed in since 1922, teaching the local community about Islam. During the opening ceremony, Asjad Madani, the scholar's son, was also present. Structure. The structure contains 4 pillars designed like mihrabs, which increase in size, and a circular base. The tallest one contains a square, where the Arabic word Allahu is written. The Chattar also contains lights which operate at night.